Today, we're making Hungry Jack. Hungry Jack pancakes, baby. Just buttermilk pancake, just add on a little water for the lazy man's pancake. Okay, so we need to get our cups.
Yep, we need to.
We need to get our cups right, girls. Boom, there we go. Okay, we're gonna make some for a couple people. So we're gonna get, let's see here, 1 cup of the mix. No, let's do 2 cups of the mix and 1.5 cups of water. Okay, 2 cups of the mix.
Yes, ma'am.
The mix. All right, ready?
There you go.
Oh, down they go.
Yeah.
Okay, dump it.
Fill the water.
That's right. Okay, now we gotta add 1/3. Is it 1/3? Yeah, 1 and 1/2 cups of water.
Yes, did it?
Come on. Move this in. Okay, the water.
Water.
2 of these, gotta go to the top, remember. Put the spoon down. To the top, more. Okay, go. Put it in there. Woo! 1 more. 1 more makes what?
1.
Plus what? So another 1 equals 2.
2.
Okay, that's it. For right now. That's it for right now. Come on. You gotta move your thing. Hurry up. Get down and I'll move it for you. Get down. Okay, we gotta get the whisk. To whisk it. No, remember, I'll do it real quick. Oh no! That's way too much water. That's not the way you're supposed to do it. She's netto. I put way too much water. What the hell? These things are all jacked up. I put 2 cups of water. It was supposed to be 1.5 cups. I'm gonna do something right there. I'm gonna put another half because I put way too much water in here. It's not okay. Okay. Damn, I'm making enough to feed a whole damn prison and shit. And it's only 3 of us. Fuck. Son of a gun, I can't believe I did that.
Daddy, can I do it after you?
Oh, yes, after me, baby. After me.
I hate when you
Damn it.
I hate when you do that, Daddy.
Okay.
Tomato.
Man, that has to use the whole thing of damn fucking pancakes. Because I messed up. Okay, hold on. You can do it right now, right after me. I'm going to do it real quick. There, finally. Oh, my gosh.
You're freaking out.
That's the consistency in me right there, man. I fucking had it all. I used the whole damn thing, man. Alright then. Let's make these pancakes.
Okay.
When you finish mixing that, I'm gonna heat up the sizzle.
Okay.
I'll put that right there, and can't have the fire too high. My wife
My
says
mom said.
yeah, because her mom said.
I'm working. Working.
Alright. Put some oil up in there. Not too much, a little bit. Okay, you almost done right there, girl?
Yes, Dada.
You're done?
No, Daddy, that's it for a couple weeks.
Okay. Alright, ready? I need the pancake mix.
Sure.
There you go, thank you.
You're
There you
welcome.
go.
Ooh. And
Yeah, I know. This needs to be rinsed. We're gonna make pancakes.
Yep, and a little spoon.
Okay.
And I can wash this.
You do everything. Baby, hold on. Come on, we're doing these pancakes right now. We're not washing your dishes right now. You're not washing dishes right now. Put it down. Put it down. Okay, well, hurry up. Hurry up. Okay, skip that. Come over here. Okay, put the pancakes. I use a half a cup measure cup to make a pancake. Alrighty then.
First,
I let the pancake cook.
cool.
Cook.
I'll get the spatula.
Oh yeah, you can get spatula.
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 Got the spatula.
Is that the right one? Hold it down right there. Get the fatter one, this one. Yeah, you got the spatula.
Daddy.
Exactly. Okay, there you go.
Gotcha.
What'd you get? Spatula.
Spatula.
Okay.
Spatula.
Alright, let me see the spatula.
Wait, Daddy.
No.
Not ready.
I know it's not ready, but just let me see it.
No.
Here it is. Okay. Alright. The pancake needs to start, you know, it's good to have the bubbles, a lot of bubbles to pop through so you can so the pancake get cooked through with the steam that goes through the pancake. I'm not that good at making it. Stop doing that. Okay, stop it, Julie. Stop it. Okay. Alright. We gotta wait a little bit.
Yep.
The fire's not too high, right? Oh shoot, the fire's high. Can't have the fire high.
Because my mama said. You forgot.
Yep, that's why. Okay, chill
And my daddy don't have to do hair.
Anyways, okay, we're waiting for the pancakes to
Get bigger.
be bigger. Yeah.
Big.
Cook.
Big.
Alright, chill out. No more dancing. Stop it, baby. Stop it.
Whoa.
That was foul. Juliet. Pay attention. Mine's hot in this house, okay. Alright then, let's see the pancake. We're still waiting. We're waiting and waiting. Stop it. Stop playing around. Stop playing around with the camera. Just act like the camera's not even watching, okay? We're just making pancakes. It's not ready yet.
Told you, Daddy.
I know, baby. Man, this takes forever, right? Dang.
I told you. Not yet. Not ready.
Ooh, golden brown, baby, golden brown. Look at that. Ooh. Except for the edges are a little messed up.
Yeah.
But that's how you make your pizzan cake. So. Say bye. We're done. Bye. Bye. Cut.